Hello friends, good morning. My name is Piyush Makadia. I am from Chemical Department CS053. Today I will discuss about the topic decision making. So first of all, what is decision making? Decision making is a process of making choice by identifying the decision, gathering information and assessing alternative resolution. Using a step-by-step decision-making process can help you make more deliberate, thoughtful decisions by organizing a relevant information and defining alternatives. The example of the decision-making process are: first is the time management, second is the institution, third is the reasoning, fourth is the problem solving, fifth is the creativity, sixth is the teamwork, seventh is the leadership. What are the characteristics of the decision making process? So, the characteristics of the decision making process are: first is a mental and intellectual process, second, it is a process, third, it is an indication of the commitment, third, it is the best way to select the alternatives, fifth, the decision making process can be positive or a negative. It is sixth, it is the last process. Seventh, continuous and a dynamic process too. It is a measurement of the all the all the alternatives. Ninth, it is a human and a social process. Third, tenth, it is a art and science both. What are the roles of the decision making process are? Roles of the decision making process are: first is the advocate, second is a stakeholder, third is a approver, and fourth is a implementer. First is the implementer. What are the different types of the decisions are? The different types of the decisions are: basic decisions, routine decisions, personal decisions, organizational decisions, individual decisions, rational decisions, irrational decisions, programmed decisions, and the unprogrammed decision. There is another category of difference between the programmed and the unprogrammed decisions. Next, what are the different techniques of the decision process are: group discussion, brainstorming, Delphi technique, cost benefit process, ratio analysis, break even analysis, etc. What are the 7 steps of the decision making process are? First is the identify the decision. You can in which you can realize that you need to make the decision. Try to clear and define the nature of the decision that you must make, and this is the first step is a very important. Second is the gather relevant information. Collect all the information before take action. Third, identify the alternatives. As you collected all the information, so you will probably identify the several paths for the action. Fourth is a way evidence. The play the place in which the alternatives are set into the priority order. Fifth, change among the alternatives. So in this step you can change all the alternative according to the conditions. 6, take action. Now you are ready with your positive response or a positive action. 7th, review your decision. So in the final step we would ready with your perfect result, and we can review the general examples of the decision making process are: deciding what to wear, what to eat, what to read, what to writing, deciding what we are going to. So on that note, I end up with my today's discussion of decision making skill. So thank you.